Sanibonani Abshendumelang. It's me, your girl, Ukipusizi. Intombi yakabhaloyi, intombazala ngonamatu, Zimba umkhandela umaphanga. And yes, I am back again with my second episode. Wow. And this is after my first episode that I uploaded yesterday. Thank you so much for the views. I feel so humbled. And yeah, this is only the beginning. Like I said, this is my first time actually trying this out. And yes, we can only grow and do better as time goes by. And with all the support and all the views that I get, everything else, will just be a bonus. And yeah, I'm back again today with another sensitive topic, another topic that touches my heart very much as a mother to daughters. Well, and the son, yes. If I don't mention him, I know Gucci. I won't hear the end of it. But yeah, today I want to speak to a girl child and say, girl child, you are so important, you are so valuable, you are so loved, you are so perfect the way that you are. Don't ever let anybody else tell you otherwise, because you can do so much. As a young girl, you start to dream at a very young age. It's not out of reach. Just know that everything is possible. You can do it with all the support around you. And when you don't have the support, you just have to look up high and say, God, please make it happen for me. And everything else, with the hard work that you put on, it shall happen and it will go the way that you want it to go. Don't ever feel the pressure from from your peers and feel like maybe your time is running out. It is never running out. Everything and everybody has their time. We don't have to always look at what the next person is doing, especially if it's to envy. Rather create your own path, create your own way of saying, good, you know what, I want to do something different for me. I want to feel the love that I have created for myself within me, and see what it is that I can do and bring out for myself, and see where it can take me without having to run after or chase after material things, because so much these days is actually, it's all based on, what, so and so has this and I have to have it too. No, it's not about that. It's about the dream that is built within you as a young girl from a young age, so that you go into the strong and comfortable. And being comfortable with yourself is so important, because nothing can stand in your way once you feel that, you have the confidence, you have that push from yourself. Because support is not something that comes easy to everybody. Some people have to go at it alone. Some people have to see how they push in order to reach where they want to go. So never ever limit yourself and think that it's not possible. Nothing is impossible. You can do anything that you want to do. You can be whoever you want to be. You just need to reach out for that goal. You need that focus, and say, I can do better. You fall today, you get up tomorrow, and you just keep going and going and going. There's so much pressure out there these days. There's so many things that are happening around young girls. There's so many negativity that is taking place around young girls. Have that voice, speak up, say something to somebody, and be heard. If ever you're facing or going through things that you feel they are too much for you to handle, you're so hard and you don't know how to take charge, there's always that one person that is willing to listen. And with my take on this podcast that I'm doing, I want to be able to reach out to those who, sometimes you find yourself just rolling over your bed and you feel like, what do I do? Who do I go and talk to? Who will listen to me? And you actually have no answer as to how you can tackle a matter or face the issue that you are facing at that moment. But you don't always have to feel like you are alone. As much as it happens that most of us actually feeling like there's nobody to turn to. It doesn't have to be. I know there can be umama next door that you feel ukuthi you are comfortable in talking to. There can be a teacher at school that you feel if you share something with her, she'll be able to give you an ear and actually listen to you. If it doesn't matter, it doesn't actually have to be a lady. Sometimes you feel comfortable in talking to a male figure and you feel like this person will actually be able to direct me on the path or be able to advise me or whatever it is that I'm going through or whatever it is that you're facing at that moment. So never give up on yourself. Never feel so alone and so ashamed of anything that takes place. You can make a difference. You can change whatever it is that you feel that it needs change. Never mind chasing after the worldly things. They are there even once we're gone as, people. They remain. So chase after something that you know which will benefit you as a person, going forward, knowing that you won't have to fall so badly that you feel like you cannot stand up again, like you cannot try again, like you cannot make it in life. There's always a way. And yeah, that is it from me today. I don't want to be long. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and yeah, keep viewing. There'll be that one person that will like and subscribe, and I would so appreciate that. But yeah, let's do this next time. Thank you. Bye.